It's been a year and a half, I believe. She's gonna spend birthdays in there, Christmas. The kids not having their mom. It's been very rough and hard and unjust, as I feel. I think they jumped the gun. They really didn't investigate it properly with procedures. The house was not even taped off the way they should. I don't know what kind of evidence they have on her. I have had a pathologist already look into the autopsy. His point of view is a lot different from the one that they have with the other pathologist. And I talked to a pro bono attorney in Washington, and she has a total different aspect of it too. We have pretty much two opinions, so it's a very tough case. It is a tough case because we have two individuals in the home and children in the home. Okay? And it's hard to prove, and that's why I don't understand why even either one are in jail, because there's no proof showing what happened. You know, yes, he was in there, she was in there, but so were the children and siblings. So we don't know what caused the injury. As for the autopsy, that's kind of difficult to really come up with issues on that. I know it was a blunt force hit, they're saying, and it is not the spleen. I was explaining it was the pancreas. And we just want to know the truth. We just want the truth of what really happened to my grandson, Austin. And I believe my daughter in her innocence, because I know my daughter, not just because she's my daughter. She had 4 other siblings. I mean, Austin was the baby, her life. She loved that baby so much. And it's just so hard to believe she's going to do something like that, especially her favorite baby. You know, she loves all her kids, but that was her baby. You know, it was the baby at that time. And the youngest one. And now she has another baby that's in a foster home that she has not even spent as much time. And it's just hurting her. It's hurting her deeply in her heart, and she suffers every day thinking about Austin. They wouldn't let her cry in jail, so she had to stop crying because they didn't allow her to cry. They said, "Why are you crying? Stop crying." So my daughter, you know, didn't cry anymore, but she still dreams and hurts inside for her grandson, for my grandson Austin, and my other grandson Aiden. And we're just waiting for October 5th. They have a court hearing for the questions that they can ask and cannot ask, and on October 20th and October 24th, my understanding, it will be court. The charges she's up against is, well, capital murder is just that she had killed her son. Murder, same thing, that she had done the crime. And the other, pretty much he got lucky, I guess, because he had an attorney that went to another judge and got a $100,000 bond on him. But what I can't understand, how he got PR on 4 other counts, which those 4 other counts are very crucial. Because now we have 2 people that are being blamed for something that we don't know happened. We don't know if it was an accident, and we don't know if Adan did do it. Then I don't know, you know, people don't know that my daughter, if she did it or not, but I know my daughter didn't do it. I mean, she was always on top of these kids. Make sure that they did their homeworks. And if he's blaming it on my daughter, which I heard that he is, I can't prove that either, because it's just like hearsay. But what's interesting, why did he not stop her? He's a big guy. Why do you? My daughter at that time had no choice to leave the baby bed with Adan Acuña that day because she had to go take an exam. And she asked me and I wasn't able to on